Exploring space is one of humanity's most hopeful activities. By going out into the great unknown of the universe, we hope to extend our reach, find new resources, new life, and solve many of our earthly problems. Going into space is not something to take for granted. One possible scenario, called Kessler syndrome, predicts that we could cause the end of all space exploration and dramatically impact our daily lives. To reach lower Earth orbit, we waste a lot of parts on the way. Fuel tanks and rockets are heavy, so when they are spent, they are simply discarded. Sputnik 1 was the Earth's first satellite to escape Earth's gravitational pull in 1957. Since then, space junk has been increasing drastically. In 1978, the NASA scientist Donald J. Kessler proposed that a chain reaction of exploding space debris could end up making space activities and the use of satellites impossible for generations. He predicted that the increasing number of objects left in lower Earth orbit could create such a dense environment above the planet that collisions would become inevitable. This would then have a cascading effect, causing many further collisions. In lower Earth orbit, the current count of large pieces of space junk over 10 centimeters in width is over 34,000. There are 900,000 pieces, sized between 1 and 10 centimeters, and 128 million pieces of junk, smaller than 1 centimeter in width. Then in medium Earth orbit, a further 170 million objects orbit the Earth, and 238 million objects orbit the Earth in geostationary orbit. Pieces of space junk in lower Earth orbit are travelling so fast that instead of blowing up when they hit something, they vaporize on impact.